In this video we're looking at how to create binaural beats. Now we're going to use a free software package called Audacity, which is a multi-channel audio recording program which you can download from the following address coming up on screen there. And you also need to get a handy little software plugin also from Audacity, the Nyquist downloads page. So once you've installed both those pieces of software, I'm using a Mac today, so the Windows platform obviously be slightly different. Just going to fire it up here. We get our main working page once it loads up. So once Audacity is loaded up, this is your main working canvas, if you like. Alright, so first of all we'll start by coming up to the Tracks drop down menu, click on that, and then we're coming down to Add New, and across to add a new stereo track. Important to make sure it's a stereo track so that the plugin that we're going to use actually works on this one. So it pops our blank stereo track. Next we come up to the Generate drop down menu, click on that. We come down and we can see the binaural tones with Surf 2 plugin that we loaded earlier. So we click on that and that will pop up a new little window telling us how the actual plugin works. But generally speaking, if we come down to this first parameter here, this is the main frequency that will play throughout the binaural tone. It will stay the same, and that's coming through the left channel of your stereo headphones. I tend to like to take it up a notch there, and we'll set it at 300 Hertz. The following parameters below that is what is played through the right channel, and these frequencies are actually in this particular plugin displayed as the beat frequencies that we're looking at. So in this example I'm going to make the start out beat frequency similar to beta brainwave activity. So we're looking around the 13 to 14 Hertz mark, so that's what I'm going to start with here. So we'll leave that at 13.5 Hertz. This next field here is a time value, and that's how long this frequency is going to play for. So in this particular example, I'll leave that at 0.25 or 25 seconds. And when it reaches that point, this next value is also a time value, and I'll leave that at 25 seconds as well. And that is how long it plays for, sweeping up from this frequency to this next frequency, which I'll set at a theta level, so dropping it down to 4.5 Hertz. Again, same time values. This is how long this frequency will play for before it starts to change to the next frequency below here over this time frame. And again, I'll leave that at 25 seconds each. This next frequency, I'm going to scale that back up to 13.5 Hertz. And again, for this example, I'll leave the time values the same. This next frequency you can change again, but for this example we'll leave that blank. The other one that we're going to change here is the surf or white noise. We're going to have that as zero white noise coming through, so that we just have the pure tone coming through. These other adjustments are fade in, fade out times of the actual tones at the start and at the end, and we'll leave that at 10 seconds for this example. Once you've set all your fields as you want them, We then click OK, and Audacity sets about creating your binaural tones as you've designed them. And once they've popped up like that, we can make this a bit smaller so we can see the whole waveform. So if we click on our zoom out button, that is our tone generated or binaural beats generated waveform. So if we click play now, we can actually have a listen back. So there you have it, how to create binaural beats using Audacity.